Imagine this. You've got an amazing idea for an online store, a passion for a particular niche, and a burning desire to be your own boss. But then reality hits. You realize that finding trustworthy suppliers, managing inventory, and dealing with shipping logistics can be a monumental headache. Many aspiring entrepreneurs get bogged down in this quagmire, never quite launching their dreams or quickly becoming overwhelmed. The traditional dropshipping model, while appealing in its low barrier to entry, often comes with its own set of frustrations. Unreliable suppliers, slow shipping times from distant lands, and product quality that can be a real gamble. You spend countless hours sifting through marketplaces, trying to verify sellers, and hoping for the best, only to be met with customer complaints and returns that eat into your profits and, more importantly, your reputation. This is where Spocket steps in as a game changer. For those unfamiliar, Spocket is a dropshipping platform that connects online retailers with suppliers primarily located in the US and Europe. What does that mean for you? Faster shipping times, higher quality products, and easier returns, leading to happier customers and a more sustainable business. It's a breath of fresh air in a dropshipping world often dominated by long shipping routes and uncertain product origins. Spocket vets its suppliers rigorously, ensuring that the products you list on your store are not just aesthetically pleasing but also reliable and ready to be shipped directly to your customers. Think of it as a curated marketplace, designed specifically to address the pain points of dropshippers who are tired of the guesswork. The beauty of Spocket lies in its simplicity and its focus on quality. Instead of spending hours scouring the internet for products, you can browse a carefully selected catalog, knowing that each item has met Spocket standards. This frees up your time to focus on what truly matters: marketing your products, building your brand, and providing exceptional customer service. It removes the stress of inventory management and the headache of packing and shipping, allowing you to operate your business from anywhere in the world with just a laptop and an internet connection. Whether you're just starting your dropshipping journey or you're a seasoned e-commerce entrepreneur looking for a more efficient way to source products, Spocket offers a solution that is both robust and user-friendly. So how do you unlock this power? The first step, and the focus of our discussion today, is signing up for Spocket. It's a straightforward process, designed to get you up and running quickly, but knowing the exact steps can save you time and potential confusion. We're going to walk through it together, click by click, ensuring you have all the information you need to successfully create your Spocket account and begin exploring the vast opportunities it presents. No more guesswork, no more frustration, just a clear, actionable guide to getting started. Let's begin. The very first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Spocket website. You can easily find it with a quick search for Spocket on your preferred search engine. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a prominent Sign Up Free or Get Started button. This is your gateway to a world of dropshipping possibilities. Click on it. Upon clicking, you'll be presented with a simple registration form. This is where you'll enter your basic information. You'll typically be asked for your full name, your email address, and a password. Make sure to choose a strong, unique password to protect your account. It's always a good practice to use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Some platforms might offer the option to sign up directly through your Google or Facebook account, which can be a faster way to register, but it's often recommended to create a dedicated account with a unique password for security purposes. Once you've filled in these details, you'll likely need to agree to Spocket's terms of service and privacy policy. It's a good idea to quickly skim these documents, just so you're aware of the platform's guidelines and how your data will be handled. After reviewing, tick the box to confirm your agreement and then click on the Create Account or Sign Up button to proceed. Congratulations! You've just taken the first major step. At this point, Spocket might send a verification email to the address you provided. This is a standard security measure to ensure that your email address is valid and that you own it. Head over to your inbox, locate the email from Spocket, and click on the verification link within it. This link will usually redirect you back to the Spocket website, confirming your email and activating your account. If you don't see the email right away, check your spam or junk folder, as it can sometimes end up there. Once your email is verified, you'll be prompted to provide a few more details to help Spocket understand your business needs. This might include questions about your e-commerce platform, e.g., Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, your store's name, and your dropshipping experience level. Don't worry if you're just starting out. There's an option for beginners. This information helps Spocket tailor your experience and recommend relevant products and features. For instance, if you indicate you're using Shopify, Spocket will guide you through the process of integrating your store with their platform. Next, you'll likely be asked to choose a Spocket plan. Spocket offers various plans, usually including a free trial period, which is fantastic for exploring the platform and testing the waters before committing to a paid subscription. The different plans typically vary in the number of unique products you can import, the premium products you can access, and features like branded invoicing or discounted shipping. For now, selecting the free trial is an excellent starting point. It gives you full access to browse products and even import a few to your store, allowing you to get a feel for the platform's functionality without any financial commitment. Carefully review what each plan offers and select the one that aligns with your current needs. Remember, you can always upgrade or downgrade your plan later as your business grows. After selecting your plan, you'll officially be inside your Spocket dashboard. This is your control center for everything Spocket related. From here, you can start exploring products, connecting your store, and managing your orders. You'll notice various sections on the left-hand side or at the top of your dashboard, including Product Search, My Products, Orders, and Integrations. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. One of the immediate next steps you'll want to take is connecting your online store. Spocket provides seamless integrations with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, and BigCommerce, among others. The process for connecting your store is usually guided and straightforward, often involving installing a Spocket app or plugin on your chosen e-commerce platform and then authorizing the connection. This integration is crucial because it allows you to easily import products from Spocket directly to your store, and it also enables Spocket to fulfill orders automatically when a customer makes a purchase. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.